Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check Snapchat photos in gallery. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step easily, what we need to do here exactly, we need to go and open our Snapchat app as you can see over here. And now once we open the Snapchat, we'll go and click on our profile icon up to the left corner over here. And then we're going to choose the settings icon up to the right corner as well. And now from here, we need to scroll down a little bit until we can find the word memories, as you can see here. And we're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you will be directed here into this page. So we're going to click on save button. And here it should be memories. Just make sure to make it memories in camera roll. And now go back here to the main page. And so we're going to click on these two cards over here. And so here you have the home, camera roll, dreams, stories, my eyes only, and so on and so forth. And that's how you can check your Snapchat photos and gallery. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.